Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Tuesday, November 21st, brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. Dubai-headquartered logistics company Aramex has announced drone delivery flights via an agreement with cargo drone operator Dronomics. The service is expected to be 80% faster, 50% cheaper, and 60% lower carbon dioxide emissions freight compared to traditional transport services. And according to Bloomberg, OpenAI's former CEO Sam Altman was actively working to raise billions from some of the world's largest investors for a new AI chip venture and an AI-focused hardware device before his surprise ouster by the company board. Altman apparently had talks about funding these ventures with SoftBank Group, Saudi Arabia's public investment fund, and Abu Dhabi's sovereign wealth fund, 𝘕𝘰𝘵𝘦 Investment Company. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.